first day we headed to the 9/11 memorial area and visited the Oculus. It was really moving to visit. We also wandered around the financial district, had some brunch and saw the Bull of Wall Street. We also booked a slot at the Uncommons, which is a really great board game cafe right next to Washington Square Park.
Each player takes his own 8 followers and puts one of them down on the scoreboard. Now the players decide. If you're not following, you will not be repeating.
After a competitive game of Carcassonne, we headed to a rooftop bar for some margaritas and watched the sunset.
Three, two, one.
What ticket got in this card?
Gotta get some bagels. We found a really beautiful little park around the corner from Esther Bagel with a waterfall, and I think it was some sort of Japanese garden. It was amazing. It was like an oasis of calm away from the busy streets. Also, these bagels were incredible.
Hello. Hi, doggy dog. Oh, he's off.
I didn't end up filming for the rest of this day, but we just had a really relaxing afternoon in Central Park and then went off for ramen in the evening. The next day we went to Dumbo, which is down under Manhattan Bridge overpass, and it was very, as you can see from the footage, very cloudy. And then it was actually my birthday in the evening and we went to Roberta's for pizza.
Yeah, he's really good.
He's still going. I know, I just thought it. He's still rolling. I just made it recording.
After Roberta's, we went to this really cool dive bar in Williamsburg, and they had loads of games like foosball, which got very competitive, and pinball machines. Next morning we were a little hungover, so we went to the river again and just got some coffee and some bagels and had a really lovely stroll. And finally, it was our last evening in New York. We met up with some friends and we went for pasta, and then we also went to the Gutter, which is such a fun bowling place, but we were all not very good with bowling, so as you can see from this footage, yeah, it wasn't great. But regardless, we had a great time. And that was it. The next morning we made our way to the airport. This is just some footage from the train. Very sad to leave. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this travel vlog, and I will see you in the next one.